Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log into the Citibank Singapore. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.citibank.com.sg and hit enter. After the home page of the Citibank opens up on your screen, on the right hand side of your screen you'll see a login to button. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the login to button, a menu will pop up on your screen. In that menu, click on the Citibank Online option. Once you click on the Citibank Online option, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, you will have to fill in some credentials. You will have to fill in your user ID here, your password here, and then click on sign on. Once you click on the sign on button and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged into the Citibank Singapore. I hope this video helped you to log into the Citibank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.